Hi everyone, this is my recording of a blister pack. It's gonna be unboxing this. We got the promo for the Cyclizar here. So we got a Cyclizar promo here. Alright, pack number 1. C-Dot, Totodile, Dealing, Pineco, Behem, Rapidash, Bolthound, Beldum Reverse, Sandy Sharks Reverse, and another Drampa. Second pack. Heatmore, Bully, Azumarill, Yamper, Vikavolt, Great Tusk, Salvatore, Robin Reverse, Ancient Booster Reverse, and Miraidon Holo. Now the final pack. Dove, Maui, Meta Knight, Tornado, Mudsdale, Cypher Maniac, Sawsbuck, Minchino Reverse, Zero Reverse, and Relican. So nothing special today, but still a couple new cards. Or maybe I'll get lucky next time.